Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani-American news channel. Kaisar Mustafa from New York. US avoids government shutdown after days of political turmoil. The US government has enacted a budget to avoid shutting itself down, but the bitterly disputed deal does not include a call from President-elect Donald Trump to increase the federal borrowing limit. US President Joe Biden signed the spending bill into law on Saturday morning. The Senate passed the agreement shortly after a midnight deadline by 85 to 11. The House of Representatives approved it hours earlier by 336 to 34. Without a funding deal, millions of federal employees would have ended up there either on temporary unpaid leave or working without pay. US government debt stands at about 36 trillion US dollars, with more money now being spent just on the interest payments than on US national security. A shutdown would have closed or severely reduced operations for public services like parks, food assistance programs, and federally funded preschools, while limiting assistance to aid reliant farmers and people recovering from natural disasters. Lawmakers earlier this week successfully negotiated a deal to fund government agencies, but it fell apart after President Donald Trump and tech billionaire Elon Musk called on Republicans to reject it. The last government shutdown was during President Donald Trump's first presidential term in 2019 and lasted 35 days, the longest in United States history. The American Relief Act 2025 that just passed is 118 pages, stripped down from a 1,547-page bill that President Donald Trump and Elon Musk rejected this week. It will fund the US government at current levels until 14 March. President Donald Trump's call to lift the debt ceiling, which was a sticking point for Democrats and some Republican budget hawks, was not included in the final bill. But Republican leaders said that measure would be debated in the new year. The Democratic budget fight is a preview of the legislative fights that may lie in store when President Donald Trump takes office next month. Trying to jam debt ceiling suspension into the legislation at the 11th hour was not sustainable, House Democrat Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries said ahead of the vote. He later praised the bill's passage, saying, House Democrats have successfully stopped the Billionaire Boys Club. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.